company still got halfway to the podium and up the ground, isn't it? With Ollie Hancock's amazing defensive ride still keeping him in the mix. Yeah, I'm but he's got Silky now right up behind him. 25, Matt Bell in the United New race leader, then right at the end here becomes Phil Keane being called by second. No, maybe because of traffic. He suddenly thinks that he is not as far ahead of Phil Keane. And Fortec, new to the championship, one car eliminated in turn one. In the Imperial BMW, remember they were winners.